Hello everyone, my name is Lonnie Williams and I'm in IT 103, section 215, and this is my little video for, of course, our research paper. Yay! And my topic was about information security in general. Now, it's a very broad topic, I know. It's frustrating, it's insane, it's pretty cool at the same time. But anyways, let's start. So an introduction, and yes, I'm reading off the computer. Information security has made quite a name for itself in this new age of technology. So, for example, it's constructed multiple theories, it's been debated among professionals, and also it's transformed safety into a new perspective. Now you see that, for example, I'll give you a basis of security. So there's white hat hackers, black hat hackers, and gray hat hackers. White hat hackers, yes, that's a very complicated term to say in a full sentence, but they're basically the angels of the computer security world. They try to maintain code, maintain the databases, and make sure that everything is functioning properly and precisely. White hat hackers are, black hat hackers are basically mostly the evil hackers of the world, people who are trying to get into your fun, steal basically everything. And gray hat hackers are in the middle. They're on the line basically, and you can't really tell what is one side from another. So let's see, information security, since this is a broad topic, it's in public need to maintain and control security systems in order to make everything crisp and clear, and so that we wouldn't be hacked every day, for example. And this is only due because of the Computer Fraud and Abuse Act of 1986. Now you see, this act evaluated how accessing a non-public government computer without any express permission automatically criminalizes the person who committed the act. In basic terms, like if you did something bad, if you accessed someone's computer without permission, tough luck. So simply that, one of the benefits of computer security is that it's particular to give sense to new learning environments. So since it's growing more and more and more rapidly throughout our day and age, it's been able to develop languages such as C++. It's able to teach students Web Development 2.0 so that people can gather around in groups in order to learn from one another, connect basically. It's an experience where all these programmers, all these testers, all these people are combined into this sort of area in order to make a very, very safe internet, so to speak. So, for example, let's scroll on down here on the computer. One of the social, ethical, and legal issues, and there is a lot of them, for example. So, governments and corporations work long hours in order to make civil decisions that revolve around old problems with computers. So, for example, psychologists and sociologists analyze certain ethics amongst people that drive them to do different things with the aid of computers. Like, for example, normal people such as us, like, what do we usually do with computers? We usually look up things that we're not supposed to, such as movies that have been not published yet, not put on DVD. Other things such as video games, music, porn, and other things as well. So another thing that evaluates issues, let's see, I'm sorry, I'm derping very hard, but educators today, for example, a social issue is educators today support the notion of more women in the security, therefore allowing more creative and open suggestions when solving problems. And women are starting to get more and more involved since they've been seen as basically not of primary use in this field, unfortunately. It's a shame it has to come down to that, but in essence, it's growing more and more and more where women are getting higher and higher positions. It just became a problem beforehand. So, security in general. Information security. So we've talked about black hat hackers and all of that jazz. So what do you think is the most used, say, form used in security nowadays? Passwords. And passwords are very vague. They're efficient, but in order to keep the public and other people happy, like the manager's database and all that, you need to create higher level authentication, which means you need to be more specific with your passwords. Like, for example, let's say my password was awesome fruity gumdrop 310, like something like that. Then that would be very hard to detect. If it was something like banana, then guess what? You're gonna get hacked. So there's many issues with that. So we have to determine what are the low, middle, and high features in order to create this well-confined atmosphere. And there are new developments as well, such as I explained before, network forensics and the ability to combine other ideas with security labs, which is, of course, combining all these researchers, people's testers, in order to make a more profound and stable environment in order to teach students how to better security. And of course, in conclusion, that wasn't the most smooth of all explanation, but it's the gist of what security is in general. So you can sum it up to security involves so many processes that it could be implemented in with the FBI, any police authority, in order to map out crimes. It could be used in ethics such as criminology, psychology, sociology. It's a vast array of things, and security evolves in many ways to help educate students progress this further. So I hope you guys enjoyed this poorly made video. Have a great day, and I'll see you later.